Welcome to Flash Lesson 3B. This is the remainder of Lesson 3, and in this section I just want to show you how to modify the shapes and place the shapes over that you've already drawn out over the cat image below. And so just to start off with, I'm going to use the black selection arrow and double click the head, or actually single click the head because it's a drawing object, and drag it over the head area of the cat. And then I'm going to single click the body and bring it down, and the tail and bring it down, and the ear. And if you grab it and something happens, just go to Edit, Undo, because I reshaped it when I didn't want to. Bring the ear down, and if I want to copy this ear, again, I'm going to grab the whole ear by selecting the entire ear with the selection tool. Anyway, if you want to copy this ear, you can also go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, Paste in Center or Paste in Place. Either one will work. And then you can drag the copy over to the area that you want to place it. And don't worry about the stacking order just yet. We'll fix that later. But we can go ahead and select the back leg and bring that down, and the front leg and bring that down. And what we're going to do is work on reshaping these objects. So I'm going to zoom in so that we can see a little bit better. So with my magnify tool, just clicking the screen into the area that I want to start, and so I'll work with the body first. Go back and get my black arrow and move my arrow near to this corner right here. I'm going to pull this corner down and touch it in the corner. I'm going to pull this corner down and touch it approximately in that corner where I think it goes. This corner right here, this corner over here, and then I'm going to pull out these curves, and so I have a body. Now I'm going to move over to the tail, and the tail is I'm going to need a curve for the tip of the tail, and I'm going to place the corner here and the second corner over here and just pull out the curve. And it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, it's okay. You know, something close is okay. I'm not worrying about getting it exactly on the edge. And I'm going to skip the back leg for now, moving over to the front leg, and I'm going to pull out this corner and this corner, create a curve, and push this inward to create a curve, and then pull this to create a curve. Now I'm going to go over to the back leg, and the back leg has two pieces piled one on top of the other. It might be easier for me to work with this if these two are embedded into each other. So if I want to embed these two shapes, I have to select them both and then go to Modify and then Break Apart. Then I can click in each of these sections, and using my backspace key or delete key to delete the extra pieces, I can go in here and push this out and pull this, create this curve, and the tip of the foot. Oops, I don't want to do that. Command Z to send it back, deselect, and then, oh, there I go again, Command Z, and then deselect, because I really want to get this curve and just pull it inward. Anyway, I could play along with it, but there's the back leg. And then back here to the head, I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the back leg. I'm going to embed all the pieces. So I want to go select them all and then go to modify, break apart, and that way I can get rid of all these little pieces on the inside here that I don't really want. And that's okay. It's good enough the way that it is. So I'm finished, and I'm going to save my file. Go to File, Save As, and decide what I'm going to name my file. You know, there were instructions in the lesson. I'm just going to cancel this. And thank you for listening.